So here's what we know in 2025. 1. Global e-commerce sales are projected to hit around $6.3 trillion this year. 2. It's never been easier to launch an online store thanks to tools like Shopify, TikTok Shop, and AI agents doing the heavy lifting. And 3. According to recent data, small dropshipping stores that follow a clear niche strategy and use creator-driven content are averaging between $5 to $30K per month in revenue. That's not a dream. That's real, consistent income for regular people that follow proven steps and do the right thing. So the question then becomes, what should you actually sell as a new person that's just starting drop shipping? That's where most beginners get stuck. But in this video, I've got you covered. I'll break down 10 solid product ideas that you can launch on Shopify, even if you have 0 followers, 0 inventory, and 0 clue where to start. First up, digital products. These are low cost to create, high margin to sell, and you don't have to ship anything. Think Notion templates, ad script formulas, ChatGPT prompt packs, digital planners, and even coaching PDFs. You upload once and you sell it forever. And if you're creative or love helping people get organized, this lane may be for you. Next, print on demand. T-shirts, tote bags, posters. You design it once, and when someone orders, it's automatically printed and shipped. No inventory, no hassle. Pair it with TikTok content or shout outs from micro influencers, and you've got a real business in motion. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do a deep dive into this one. Number 3, drop shipping products. Yes, I get it. It's been around forever. It's been done to death, but when done correctly, it still works. Look for products that solve a problem. Some trending items on TikTok that I've come across recently, for example, things like solar-powered sun hats, portable blenders, LED nail dryers. Not sexy, but they solve a real problem. You could use tools like Kalo Data or Shop Plus to find winning products and then build a branded one product store around it. 4th idea, affiliate funnels. Here's the twist. What if you sold other people's products and still made bank? Well, you actually can. Just build a simple Shopify site around a niche like gut health or productivity. You can then add products that are already going viral on TikTok. Each buy button links to your TikTok shop affiliate. You can earn up to 20% per sale in some cases without ever needing to touch the product or manage a store. Number 5, subscriptions. So if you're into recurring income, subscriptions may be the move for you. Monthly bundles of digital goods, skincare, pet treats, supplements, Shopify apps like Recharge or Seal subscriptions, it's all pretty much automated. Be sure to drop us a like if you are finding value within this video. Niche home decor, think boho, kawaii, or minimalist styles. Beauty tools like LED face masks or eyebrow trimmers. Think AI tools and services. You could literally sell your own SmythOS agents on a Shopify store. Kids learning kits, flashcards, printables, sensory toys, pet accessories, fancy leashes, collapsible travel bowls, or human grade pet gear. The list is endless. Each of these can be launched in under a week. Whether you want to go full-time or just earn some extra cash on the side, Shopify does give you everything you need in order to grow at different levels. And right now, if you want to test this out without committing to the full monthly fee, there's a deal going where you can try Shopify for $1 a month for your first 3 months instead of the normal $39 per month. That's only for the first 100 people who click the link I've left in the description. And of course, if you found this helpful, be sure to hit a big like and consider subscribing, and check the description for free downloads and tools to help you get started even quicker. I'll catch you on the next one.